Lesson 20, Vibhuti Pada, technique number 8, Samyama. Pravrityaloka Nyasat Sukshma Vyavahita Vipra Krishna Jnanam Bhuvana Jnanam Surye Samyamat Chandre Tara Vyuha Jnanam Dhruve Tadgata Jnanam Nabhichakre Kaya Vyuha Jnanam Kantakupe Kshutpipasa Nivrittihi Kurmanadyam Stairyam Murdha Jyotishi Siddha Darshanam